See, now I'm right beside you so I can see the road.
Okay. I hear you. All right, you ready to race?
I don't know what gear I'm in.
Neither do I. Oh, I got squirrely. Slow down. Right.
Oh, shoot.
Left, sorry. We're gonna blow that. Let's just go up and then cut that way.
Well, we gotta wait for them guys anyhow. We're going left, right?
Yeah.
Where's the other guys at? I didn't realize that was you. It fell up there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm filming Johnny Falls. What's the other guy's name? Diggins Falls, and then you fall down the bank. I'm like, what in the world is going on? All right, you guys ready?
Let's make like a tree and go.
This one we go up here and turn right, remember?
That is correct. Yeah, this is the one that's at loosey-goosey road. And then this is where we go down, and then that's a single track through the woods, and then we slash through that creek, remember, and cut off to the left.
Yeah.
Right, went right.
I pretend I was gonna knock Dylan off his bike.
Yeah. The old road rash.
Yeah. Okay, the guy behind you isn't in our group. All right, guy.
Well, he doesn't know where he's going, so.
Just check my front tire quick.
It's squishy. Yeah, you got some air. Let me see your GoPro. I hope you're recording. We're golden.
We're good. Everybody's here. They're resetting their things. They're really into it. Me and Dylan are just following you. There's a wheelie. No, that ain't a wheelie. Well, the front end's off the ground. It's doing a wheelie.
I did a wheelie. How much you want to beg to jump over that mountain right there?
Yeah.
On a dark desert highway, cool pop in my hand, the smell of Tostitos rising up through the land. It's sandy.
Oh, it was.
And still those voices are coming from far away, waking me up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, hey, welcome to the Hotel California. That's copyrighted.
Yeah, I was gonna say, now you can't use none
Now
of that
I can't
video.
use the video. Left. Hard left.
This is good. This comes up to the real cool spot. I remember this. The spot that I like. It's like smooth and you just zip along in it.
Yep. Alright, we ready? The thing that sucks is, like, you know, these people like act like they're going so fast and then you just crawl right up on them.
Yeah, well, you're turning left, so you're never gonna get there.
I should wire it up so it does this, so like people see me. I'm just brushing my helmet across the trees. I wonder if there's going to be any water in the stream.
I don't know. It was pretty deep.
It's been a stream because I think it might have been just water runoff because we got tons of rain that year.
Yeah, I don't remember.
It's coming up here. We're gonna take a right-hand turn.
Man, that goes across the creek, doesn't it?
Yeah. Ooh, sandy. Very sandy. Okay, so maybe it's a little bit further up.
Yeah, I think it is.
I need to put my sun shield up. Okay, there's a giant crater. Watch it.
Okay. Oh cow, there is.
Legitimate goat path. Oh, if we're going the same way, that means we get to go through the tunnel of love.
Yep.
Oh, that one ringed my bell. Holy crap. Like a bomb went off in my head. My ears were ringing. Oh, we're catching up the tunnel. Ow.
There's a metal pole there.
Oh, yeah. There's a stick in the road. Another stick in the road. Oh, ha 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 ha!
What?
I just busted my mirror.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
That ain't good.
That cost me like $5. Good thing I have two of them. I'll have to buy another one. Oh, Jay, you could get the glass. The mirror.
So it busted glass right out of it.
Oh yeah. I heard ting, and there's a big old hunk missing. Hopefully that doesn't flatten anybody's tire.
Especially mine.
Yep, got a little too close to a tree. In their defense, they say it's a drop-proof mirror, not a tree-proof. There's a right-hand turn through the creek. Well, if there was a creek.
Are you gonna just wait and see, or will you just keep going? I don't know. I don't see anybody behind me.
Oh yeah, there's a creek there. I don't see anybody behind me either. There you are. You're still recording good. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe.
Last time this spot here was like ultra smooth, man. You just zip out through.
I didn't even see the guys up there that were sitting in the middle of the hill.
Okay, we're good.
Where's the KTM or Husky dude?
Oh, he's right there.
Okay.
Oh, you passed somebody?
Oh yeah. He was like just sitting alongside the road.
Oh, now he's on the path. I went around him.
You good?
Yeah, it's not as smooth as I remember it.
I mean, it's dry.
It's not bad, but it's not smooth. We come up here and do a left then.
Yeah, yeah. We got quite a bit of ways. Big rock on the right, watch it. And then a hoopty.
You didn't tell me about this tree.
Oh, the log?
Jeez.
Oh, sorry. Ow!
I couldn't see because of dust, and I'm like, oh shoot. But I just leaned back.
Oh, that's who hit it. You slowed way down. I'm like, what the heck's this dude doing in front of me? I'm like, we need to hit that rock. I caught my mirror.
Dude, this is why we're here last year.
I thought it was a lot smoother last year. It's not bad, but it was, you know.
I'm like he did like a dead stop over that log in front of us.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, and I'm like, whoa, I locked on the brake. Oh, it's bumpy. Don't hit me.
The ghetto of Renova area.